Hi everyone, I just received this mic yesterday. It's the Deity microphones S2S. S2 is the longer one. It's a shotgun microphone. And this is S2S. I think S sounds for short. Yeah, so I'm trying it out today for the first time. Right now it is, let's see how much, about 4 fingers away from me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3. So they sent it to me to see whether I like the sound or not. I don't know how it sounds like right now, but I hope it is good because I hope to use it for all my videos, my tutorials and everything. Right now I'm having the foam, the pop filter foam on, so shouldn't have any pop. Let me go really near and direct 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like 1 finger away. 1 finger away. Test mic 1, 2. If I lower my voice, test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if I go further away, this is like 7 fingers away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Direct. Okay, what about if I don't do direct? Okay, that means it is just shooting sideways. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to direct, test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what if I have it further? Okay, so this is the distance. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make sure that they all have the same volume. I will do post-production later to make sure they are same volume but at different distances so you can hear properly the tone and not the volume. Okay, so test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This far away. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go even further. Off the camera. It is no more at the camera. Okay, so it is this far away. Yeah, can see my finger is there. So test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Jerry Chua. My name was Jerry Chua, and my name is still Jerry Chua. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about I remove the foam? Okay, and let's see if I were to put it about, this is 8 fingers away without the foam. 8 fingers away without the foam. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Jerry Chua. My name was Jerry Chua, and my name is still Jerry Chua. Okay, how about I face it? Let's see if there are any plosives. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Jerry Chua. My name was Jerry Chua. And my name is still Jerry Chua. Okay, let's go really close. This is like 2 fingers away. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Jerry Chua. My name was Jerry Chua. And my name is still Jerry Chua. And what if it was not direct, sideways? My name is Jerry Chua. My name was Jerry Chua. My name is still Jerry Chua. Okay. So I think under normal circumstances, I might have it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I need the foam actually? Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the mic. I think it is selling at $319 US locally, I think. Or you can get it overseas also. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to thank Chen Jinfu for sending it all the way to Singapore from Hong Kong. I had a nice surprise yesterday when I heard the doorbell ring. Ding dong, DHL, and they were delivering this mic to me. Yeah, so I'm really hoping this mic works well because I really need to upgrade from my other mic. This is my other mic, which is very noisy. Yeah, I always have to clean up the noise. This is like a measurement microphone, very thin. Yeah. So yes, I'm hoping it works well and I will be using it a lot. So God bless everybody. Let me know how you feel about this mic. Bye bye.
The video should stop already. Hello? Hello? Looking at what? Oi! Turn here, turn there. Hello? Scratch what? Remember to subscribe, Quickly, press the button below.